Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today I'm going to make an Intarsia project. It's really cool because all of this is individual pieces of wood that are cut and put together to make a picture, and they're all different species, which is really cool, so you don't really have to paint or stain anything, even though I do paint a little bit on this. Let's check it out. So when you're doing woodworking in Intarsia, the one thing you're going to want to do is print out your picture that you're going to use, and it's also best to print out several more copies than you think you will actually need. And I purchased this pack of different kinds of woods on eBay. You're going to need the maple, this African mahogany, the yellow heart, purple heart, and I think that's all I'm gonna need. One thing you're gonna need is some spray adhesive, and that way you could use that to put your templates onto the wood itself. And it's really easy. Wave it around for maybe just 10 seconds or so. You apply it. The ideal tool to use for Intarsia would be a scroll saw, which I have, but it's really old and it tends to vibrate a lot. Even the motor on the side is like loose and it's vibrating, so sometimes it has a hard time cutting through wood. But for some pieces, I'm going to try to see if I can do it on my bandsaw instead. So I've got pretty much all my pieces cut, and I cut them all about the same on the scroll saw. A little bit of bandsaw because that seemed to make it easier. I think I'm going to end up painting on my eyebrows and Adam's features because that just seems really intricate to try to cut. New shop. That happened quick, didn't it? We were just in the other shop and then we're in this shop. A little bit more official stuff on that another time, and I might do a shop tour video coming up pretty soon, but for now we'll save that for another video and keep working on this Intarsia. Now I'm making a frame to put that in. I have an 1/8 inch piece of just cardboard that I'm going to glue the Intarsia picture to, and I want a frame for it, so I've got some scrap cherry that I'm going to use, and I'm using this miter sled that I made, and if you want to know how to make one of these, I'll include a link to Steve Ramsey's video where he shows how to do it. And that way I can remove all that, and I can paint this background and still have glue be able to stick to this. One thing that's really gonna make this picture pop is a Spoy Wacko. It's my Elmer Fudd impression. So here's the picture all done. I'm really happy with it. I kind of wish I didn't have to paint Adam's face on or my eyebrows, but that just seemed really small and intricate. And this is only the second time I've ever done Intarsia, so I just went ahead and painted it. I think that's okay in this situation, and painted the background just so it'll pop a little bit. But I'm really happy with how it came out. I like how all the colors look on it, and I think it's really cool. So it will live here. So when Adam and I get to doing follow-ups, we'll have that there behind us. If y'all follow me on Instagram, you might have seen this Taco Bell Intarsia, which was the first time I ever tried it. I originally was going to make the video doing this. I figured it'd probably be better if I did an original design for a video instead, but Taco Bell liked it and they shared it, so it's one step closer to that sponsorship by Taco Bell. Anyways, I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to this channel because I have new woodworking projects every Friday. It's been a bit slow lately getting videos out, but that's just because we were in the process of moving. But we're in the new place now. The shop is pretty much set up, so we're good to try to get back on a normal schedule again. So, I'll see y'all on Friday.